In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download PDF files directly from Google Chrome 2025. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser window where you normally browse the internet. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. From this menu, select Settings, T. Now that you are in Chrome settings, look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click Privacy and Security. After clicking Privacy and Security, look in the main area of the page. You should see several options related to privacy controls and site permissions. Click Site Settings. Once you are inside Site Settings, scroll down the page. You are looking for a section called Content or Additional Content Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Chrome, but the PDF option is usually located near the lower part of the Site Settings page. If you see Additional Content Settings, click it to expand the section. Click PDF Documents to open the PDF handling settings. If Chrome is currently opening PDFs automatically, this is the setting that changes that behavior. On the PDF Documents page, find the option that says Download PDFs. In some versions of Chrome, it may appear as a toggle switch with wording like Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. Turn this option on or select the Download option if it is shown as a choice. Once enabled, Chrome will download PDF files directly instead of opening them in a Chrome tab. That covers everything you need to know.